Speak better, live braver. Welcome to Daily English Podcast.
Welcome to the Daily English Podcast, where learning English isn't just about grammar.
It's about becoming someone who feels confident every time you speak.
Have you ever felt stuck or shy when it's time to speak?
Maybe the words are there in your head, but your mouth freezes.
You're not alone. That's exactly why we're here.
We don't just teach vocabulary. We help you speak with purpose, with rhythm, with courage.
This podcast is for learners who want more than perfect grammar.
You want meaning, you want progress, you want English that helps you grow, not just pass a test. Here's what you'll find.
Real English stories, soft-spoken episodes, shorts you can practice daily,
Phrases that stay in your heart, not just your notebook.
and no pressure to be perfect, ever.
You'll listen, you'll feel, you'll grow.
One sentence at a time, one story at a time, one brave moment at a time.
So if you're ready, click subscribe.
Let's begin this journey together.